So this is how you repair your ice freezer. Take all the screw out, take this panel out. Be careful with this guy because the little springs will fall out. Flip to the side, take all the screw out. The smallest screw, the fatter screws over there, and then there's two fat screws there. Take out the stickers. I face it down this way, so we take this guy out, the water hose, and this plug need to come out, but that's one's pretty easy. It's the water hose, little pain in the butt. So you want to unscrew, take this one out, and flips it upside down so you get into the wire access. It's just actually right here. All right, you want to slide this guy out. Pull it out a little more so you have more room to work with. I'm gonna cut out this guy, this guy, this guy, because the cable is just right here. The last 4 cable here. So these are the 2 cable you want. So there's the indentations. That's the front. This is the back. And those are the 2 cable. The 2 on the left is the larger size, and the 2 on the right is the smaller size. So this is all done. The glue's dry. I left it overnight at 100%, now 65. I basically drill a hole from the bottom up here. See, it's getting focused. There's a second hole there, drill through there. 3D print on this guy to hold it in place. Temperature is 35 on here. Temperature on this guy is 44. They're not very accurate. They're the 3D printer temperature thing. Yep. So you need to fix the wire a little bit better. Cocked it and then drive underneath here and then went up here and inside the cable.